let's take a look at how to turn on your porch light when someone rings your doorbell. Let's open Virtual Keypad and program a custom action. Select the menu in the top right-hand corner. Choose Actions, select Custom Actions, then in the top left-hand corner, choose the Edit button and choose Add. I'll name this Porch Light. I'll choose my doorbell zone. I'll choose any activity, and this will occur whether the system is armed or disarmed. I want this to turn on my porch light, so I will enable it and set it to the on position. I want that porch light to be on for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to schedule it so it only occurs between 8 p.m. and 7 a.m. We'll save that. And that's how to turn on your porch light when someone rings your doorbell.